Hello student. Hello. Today we are going to deal with the 22nd problem. Okay. The problem I have not written. Just I will explain the given data so we can easily do the things. Now in the 22nd problem, what he has said, a pentagonal lamina of 25 mm edge rest on HP on one of its side. Here the difference is what we all know that we have to find out the where it is resting, how it is resting, and the angles what it is making. So here what he said, corner opposite to that edge touching VP, that means this is a side on which it rests. Opposite corner means this will touch to VP in the last stage. Okay, and the corner is 15 mm above HP. That means from XY line how much it is, 15 mm. So here edge is it, there is no beta angle. So I will just show you the solution. Draw the XY line, XY line. Okay, as you all know that this is 25 mm. From here this should be 108. It is resting on side, that's why from here cut 25 length A, B, C, D, E. You know that this one, right? Take a projection from all the points. Make this one dark. So this is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, and E dash. When you see from here, what are the brackets? A and E. Okay. Later what he said, instead of giving an angle, what he has given a height. Height of how much? 15 mm. So take a height of 15 mm and then measure AB dash to D dash. Somewhere select this. This is A dash, B dash. Measure this and cut. So this will be D dash. This will be D dash. Okay. Measure this one. Okay. As I said, draw this one. Once again measure from here to here, that is point transformation. C dash and E dash. E dash bracket, A dash bracket. Take a projection downside. A, B, C. Don't be hurry up. Take it easily. C, D, and E. Then join A, B, C, D, E. Okay. This is what we got. Now what he said in this step, what generally he used to give 45 or something, but what he said, this corner is going to touch the VP. He said this we have to shift here. How you are going to shift? You know only one point, that is D, but if you know 2 points, then you can easily shift, but you have only 1 point. So what I will do, I will measure this as a temporary point T. I will make it this point as a temporary T point. I will draw a straight line from here to here. I will measure, that is my point T. Then you know that this is 90 degree. Okay, so I will draw a line from T to A. I will measure T to A. You have to just see here like this. A will come this side. T to B, measure this A, B. Now you can easily measure A to E, D to E. Okay, when you know 2 points, you can transfer a third point. This is our basic funda. B to C, D to C. Okay, this is happening. A, B, C, D, E. Now it is very easy. You all know that. Take a projection A from up to here only. A. This is B, C. This is C, D, E, E. Okay. Join this. This will end your problem.